Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Cinnado indoor security camera. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have your Cinnado indoor security camera, and for whatever reason, it starts to malfunction. How do you actually go ahead and reset it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, the first thing that we want to do is hop onto the WansView Cloud app. And this is already assuming that you've already connected your Cinnado indoor security camera to the WansView Cloud app. Next, click on the gear icon of the device you want to go ahead and restart. Scroll down, click on Device Management, and then this is where you can either restart your device or factory reset it or delete it. We're going to click on Restart Device and then click on OK. Now, once you've done so, that is going to go ahead and restart your Cinnado indoor security camera. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know.